It's not doing it.
So we'll find out in a minute. But you'd have to be very careful doing it with one of these.
That's the magic sponge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Just let's see the face of the magic sponge now, because
that's the pink.
Yeah.
I just keep checking for grey, you know. But
it's a lot better in it because it's all clearing in
I will
one now, going like it was in the streaks.
That's from factory, and that's clean, squeaky clean.
It's all gone. Oh, that's brilliant.
I'm going to make a killing off all these.
So you've used some stuff for motorbikes because obviously, like you say, it's all
stuff
plastic
and fairings, you know.
So that's.
But we're using a magic sponge, but we're only going over it delicate because that can pull like leather dyes off and stuff like that. And I was just wondering. Let's try a big panel.
I've got to be honest, I never thought about the motorbike angle of stuff, crosses and stuff, with plastic fairings.
But you'd have to use a few of these. I think the best thing to do with these is strip it so we shouldn't get that separation like we were getting. You should get it pretty clear, and then, of course, we'll bang a ceramic coating on it.
I don't understand why it just goes in those streaky lines all the way down though, because it's like some bits are protected and some bits aren't.
Yeah, like you say, it could be something from the factory that.
It's probably from the moulds, isn't it? You know, when they mould the doors and that.
That's it, yeah.
So they'll all be like that. So that's just running off all the plastic and not in lines like it was before.
Now if we do the other side, I'll see it as it was.
Here we go. So that's coming off in the lines, and the lines are where the dark streaks were before.
Yeah, that's like you say, it's probably the moulds in the factory that.
So once we get some sort of ceramic coating on this car,
hopefully, I mean you're still going to get water staining.
It will stay like that, because just here, when I picked it up, there was, let's say there was bird muck on it, and you can see it's eaten into the plastic already.
Matter of fact, it won't surprise me. We could probably dry that without even rinsing it.
Yeah. It certainly already looks a different colour, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Bringing it down, isn't it?
It's grubby there.
Yeah.
And then it's nice and clean. So if we can get something to maintain that colour, I'd be more than happy. Which would be very unusual.
Well, of course, a lot of people, they're going to be struggling from where go, aren't they?
Yeah, trying to do that at home and keep it like that. Yeah. I don't know what they put on at Citroen, if they even put anything on, or just leave it unprotected.
You've got a bit of glue there. Obviously, there's been some PDI sticker or something on it.
Yeah, well, I couldn't wait to pick it up. They were going to clean it for me, but
probably best not, to be honest.
Yeah.
It would probably best to pick it up like this, because I couldn't see them doing this.
No, they won't do.
A dealer.
Somebody reported this morning they've just picked theirs up and it's all streaked. Yeah. And that's straight from the dealer.
An awful lot better.
Yeah, it is. It's looking better already.
So we do it proper. Pull it inside, you know. I'm pretty sure a citrus pre-wash cleaner would do the same thing. So I just went for this because I know it's good on plastic.
Yeah.
And it does have a level of protection in it. It won't last long. But it has got like a little nano coating in it. It doesn't last long.
No, I want to get it done before it starts heating up, and because it ends up burning stuff into it. You can't do it.
Well, we need to do it soon.
That bit's not been done yet, but it has been washed.
Yeah.
So that's how it ends up looking.
Looks awesome.
Just to say, this is only a quick clean before Lance does it properly, just to make sure we've got the right materials and it's going to work. And seemingly the first project of getting the streaks off it, that's it. Having to do it very quickly because the black's heating up in the sun. Did cool it down with a cold water before, but it's catching up. Somebody's just pointed out that the charging, or the housing for the charging lead, isn't waterproof, so let's look. And yes, there is water just there, but if I pull the plug out, what's that? There is a bit of water on it, yep. So that's something we'll have to watch in future. Good point. Here's my new smoker. This bloke in the Ferrari's just parked right in the way.